In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey using Jotform. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, conduct research, or simply collect data, Jotform makes the process straightforward and efficient. So, let's dive right in and explore how you can get started with creating your own survey step by step. First, you'll need to log into Jotform. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up using your email address or third-party accounts like Google or Facebook. Once logged in, you'll see your dashboard. From here, go ahead and click on the Create Form button. This is where the magic begins, opening up a world of possibilities for your survey creation. You'll be presented with the option to select a form template. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will focus on two main options. You can start with a pre-made survey template, which already includes common survey questions and design, or you can opt for a blank form. Choosing a survey template can significantly save you time as it comes pre-populated with sample questions that you might find useful. On the other hand, a blank form gives you complete control over designing your survey from scratch, which is great for creating something more personalized. Once you've made a choice between using a template or starting blank, it's time to add your survey questions. This is where you customize the form to suit your specific needs. Jotform offers a variety of question types to choose from, including multiple choice questions, rating scales, text input fields, and more. For instance, if you want to find out customer satisfaction levels, including a rating scale or multiple choice question can be incredibly insightful. As you drag and drop your selected question types into the form, think about the kind of data you wish to collect and tailor the questions accordingly to ensure you get the responses that matter. Now, let's move on to customizing your survey. This involves refining the look and feel of your form. Jotform allows you to easily tweak layouts, fonts, and colors to align with your brand or personal style, making sure your survey not only functions well but also looks appealing to your audience. You might also want to set conditions or add a thank you message for participants upon completing the survey. This slight personalization can make your survey experience far more engaging and valuable. Finally, it's time to publish your survey. Jotform provides various publishing options, whether you wish to share your form via a direct link, embed it on a website, or connect it with third-party applications. Choose the option that best fits your distribution strategy and you're set to start collecting responses. By following these steps, you're well on your way to deploying an effective survey with Jotform. Remember to review your questions before sharing them to ensure everything is set up perfectly. Thanks for watching and happy surveying.